It's all about the lashes.
I'm Cindy Watson, celebrity makeup artist. I've been coming on this show for years, showing other people how to do their lashes, but today I'm the guinea pig. Lashes can be really intimidating. You have to use the glue, you have to cut them, you have to measure them on your eyes, so the process sometimes is super intimidating.
Cindy is testing the Flirt Cosmetics Flashes Lash Applicator. It claims to allow you to customize your eyelashes by conveniently dispensing individual lashes for easy application.
Roll forward a few times until lashes begin to appear. Brush a thin layer of lash adhesive evenly on the end of the lash buds. Blow gently and wait for adhesive to get tacky. Apply lashes by gently touching the ends of the lash to your lash line. Press the bottom button to release flash lashes. Oh yes, very flirty. I love the clustered lashes. Just click and your eyes look amazing.
Cindy, you always look amazing and younger every time I see you. Now, I liked that you went step by step and that we had the time in the piece to see every single step.
Yes.
It looked, again, I'm an outsider looking in, it looked very time consuming.
Let me grab it real quick.
Okay,
I wanna
here, let
show
me
you.
pass to you.
Okay, so what I loved about it, well, first of all, you could tell in the before and after, there was a big difference. I mean, completely. And I don't go anywhere without mascara or lashes.
Right.
So for you, I
Right.
did it.
Right.
Okay, so just know that.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Because I don't do that. I was like, no. Anyway, this is amazing for a person that has a problem, like you were saying, because of the size of this. You can get a good grip, a good control of it.
The tool itself looks really useful.
Yes, so it's very intimidating, but with this, it's useful. And inside of this, you have the cluster lashes. But these particular ones are really full, so you can get it done quickly. So when
Gotcha.
you roll up, the lash comes out, you put the glue on. Most important, you know when you put on lashes, you have to let it wait because you have to get that glue tacky.
Right.
You need to wait at least about 30 seconds. And then you put it on the base of the lash and click.
They
It's
look
on.
great. They
no,
look
they
really
look, and they're
pretty.
really lightweight. The good thing is they're easy customizable. I like a lot of lashes, so I doubled them up on the ends. And you can just
I was
pop it
gonna
on.
say, not every woman wants lashes all the way across. A lot of people just put them in the corners.
Yeah, you can put mascara on and put
Right.
one click, and now you have flirty lashes. Also, $28, you get 40 lashes. So
These prices are
I know,
great.
I know. So if you're getting lash extensions, just
Oh,
think
they're a
about
fortune,
this.
yep.
There's 40 lashes, so you can get 4 applications if you're going out, and it's
And
very
lash
affordable.
extensions can cost literally
Yeah,
hundreds, multiple of dollars.
So
right?
bottom line, I think for a person that's uncomfortable and intimidated, this is amazing. For me, as a
You don't need this product.
I don't really need it.
But like for my mom and a lot of my friends, this is a really
so good.
useful tool.
Yes. Awesome.